be making a Lego beyblade. Today, it's going to be wind slicer. You put 4 of these in the middle of each side, like that. I'm just going to use a different color one here. Then, after that, you get... Oh no, after that, you put this piece on just like that. Then, get that one, put it in the middle. After that, you get this piece, put it on the side there, and another one there. Ta-da! We can turn it upside down now. Put these 2 on top of each other. Right. See? Like that. And there. For the point. Then you get that one. Put it here. Turn it upside down. Then you put that in the middle of there. And that in the middle of there. Then we can get this one, put it there. This one, you put it there. See? Dun dun. Sorry, this one needs to go there, like that. So, there. Then you get this piece, put it there. And this piece, put it there. Ta-da! You finished it. Don't forget to subscribe.